Okay, alright guys, welcome back. I guess on the previous tutorials, just we have made a setting that will allow the user to change their credentials. Like if I came to my project here, okay, if I logged in here by typing my username and password, then I will be logged in here and I will have this setting here that will allow me to change my credentials. First, for example, if I want to change my first name, I will type my first name, last name, email address, so far. Okay, but for this tutorial, what I was planning to do before I get started, let me show you something which is called a vanity URL. Okay, so what does a vanity URL? For instance, I guess most of you guys use the Facebook, right? So if you come to facebook.com and if you want to access somebody's profile, what you have to do, just you have to use / and type the username, right? For instance, in my case, my Facebook will be tensei.shagana here. So if I type here directly, it will proceed me to my page here. Okay, beside this page there are a lot of pages here, okay, but it directly jumps into tensei.shagana here. This type of passing URL is called a vanity URL. Okay, so whenever you have a username or something, what you have to do, just type the domain name. For instance, I'm using Facebook, then / tensei.shagana will be my Facebook address, okay, or my profile. So that's what we are going to do. By using this vanity mechanism, we are going to enable the user to see their profiles, okay. So what I will do, first I'll come to this, I have created a page which is called profile.php, where I have stored it at my root directory here, which is profile.php. As you have seen, it is empty now. Just to copy my templates, I'm gonna come to the contact.php and I'm gonna copy this thing and I'm gonna go to my profile.php. Okay, so if I came here and if I remove this part and if I came to my project again, okay, it's gonna be on the local host, login, log out is my project name. So if I came here and if I came to logged in like here, and if I came to profile.php, this is a new page that I have created now. It is an empty page, okay. I've got all the templates, but it's empty here. So what I will do, I will use a gate means of passing data to the user. Okay, so to do that, what I will do, just let me remove this part, and let me remove this part, and let me remove this part. So what I will do, I will use a get credential, that a gateway of passing information to the URL, but I will use a get name which is called a username. Okay, and I'm gonna make sure that if this thing is set, okay, if this thing is true, and also if this thing is not empty, which is a username, what I will do, if this thing is false, so I want to display the username, for instance, so I will assign the username to the gate username here. So if I come here and echo the username, I will be able to access what I have passed. For instance, think of a scenario that I was entering a name called Tensei here. So I will use a question mark here, and I'm going to say username is equal to Tensei here. So it's going to echo out Tensei here, okay? But I don't want this to happen, because as you have seen here, is not a vanity, okay? I'm using profile.php question mark username is equal to Tensei. Think of a scenario where this page requests to so many pages. This thing is gonna fill up here, okay? So what did I want to do? I want to make log in log out / Tensei. That will be my profile, or that will be my username. So what I will do, I will make a file which is called htt.access. Okay, so I'm gonna save this thing at my root directory here. So I'm gonna write this code here. The first thing is that I want to rewrite, or I want to turn on the rewrite engine. Okay, rewrite engine, I'm gonna set this to on. Okay, then what I will do, I will write the rewrite condition. Okay, it will be on the percentage symbol. Okay, between these two, I'm gonna write the condition by requesting the file name. So I will write request file name, okay, and I'm gonna use an exclamation mark and F here. I'm gonna copy the same thing here, and I'm gonna make this one to be D, and finally I'm gonna rewrite the rule. Okay, the rewrite rule is gonna be, I'm gonna use a 2-day symbol here. I'm gonna say all, this stands for all, okay. Then I'm gonna use a $sign, okay. So I'm gonna call my project name, which is gonna be login logout slash which is gonna be profile.php question mark username, which is equal to $1. Okay, what this line of code which says that whenever you have get a request from profile.php which the username is assigned to some value, just rewrite this condition, just remove this part and make this part only. Okay, in our case it's gonna be login logout slash the username. Okay, so let's come here and check our vanity URL. Okay, I'm gonna remove this part. What I will say, I will use only login logout, and I'm gonna type Tensei only here. Again, no mistakes found. It just says Tensei here. Okay, so this is how we are going to use a vanity URL. So in the next tutorial, by using this vanity URL, we are going to display the profile for the users, or for the user which is logged in, and we're gonna allow the access for this user to look for another users. For instance, in this case I'm looking as Mamae here. Mamae can access the profile for Tensei here. So that's where we are going to do on the next tutorial. Keep on, I guess till we meet on the next tutorial, keep on liking, keep on subscribing my channel, keep on liking my videos. Thank you very much.